Hello mga kids, this is everything we love about Discovery Suites. Let's go! Located right at the heart of Ortigas Center, walking distance lang ang Discovery Suites sa mga malls, cafes at restaurants. Perfect sa mga galang pamilya tulad namin. Room rates dito starts at 5,000 plus pesos a night. Pwede ring maka-discount kapag ginamit niyo yung codes namin when booking via Klook. Super laki ng room na binigay nila sa amin. 140 square meters to be exact. May living room, dining area, fully equipped kitchen, 2 bathrooms at 3 bedrooms. Nakapagtaguan pa kami sa sobrang laki. Kumpleto rin sa amenities, may swimming pool for the kids, salon for mommy at fully equipped gym naman for daddy. Para ready kayo sa masasarap nilang offerings sa kanilang 2 restaurants. May Restaurant 5 sila that offers daily breakfast buffet. Meron rin silang 22 prime for drinks and steaks. Perfect for a lovely date night with your missus. Kung ayaw nyo naman iwan ang napaka-cozy ninyong room, pwede rin kayong mag-in-room dining. Make sure to order their sizzling bulalo at salpikaw na parehong tasty at tender. From check-in to check-out, super galing at very hospitable yung kanilang staff. Lahat ng nakasalumuhan namin, sobrang from the heart ang service. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng hotel na talagang family-friendly, make sure to check out Discovery Suites. Siguradong mag-e-enjoy kayo dito. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Until next time, bye-bye!